Hola, estudiantes. I'm going to explain the assignment that's due today, January 19th. We are going to start the first chapter of the Gray textbook soon. And I was initially going to have you do vocabulary for that chapter, but then I saw this in the front of the book. It's on page II, actually. And I thought this would be kind of a useful thing to do before we get into the book. Also, I meant to say that I really wish I could be there today. I'm so annoyed that I got the flu over the weekend. It's not COVID. I got tested. I am on the tail end of it, but I still have a fever. Still not feeling great. So I really don't think it's a great idea for me to come and get people sick on Tuesday. My hope is by Wednesday I should be good to go. But whatever. We're still going to do the craft. We're still going to do the a little marionette thing, but I want to be there for that. So I want to wait till I'm there so you can do that together. All right. So here we're going to do some strategies in order to communicate first. You can just do these boxes. Basically, these are just synonyms of each other, different ways of saying things. Okay. So how many of these are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So just 18 of these for the native speakers. This is going to be incredibly easy for you, but I'm sorry. My head is in the clouds right now. I can't really concentrate on make something a little bit more worthwhile for you, which we are going to be doing very soon, by the way. So it is what it is. All right. So what did I say? 18? Okay, so that should be 18. So here's how you're going to do this. Basically, like I said, these are kind of synonyms. So what I want you to do is try to figure out what this is just based on this. Okay, so me parece que, and then you're going to put a dash and write creo que. But first, create a document called this. Estrategias para comunicarse. So one, what did I say? Me parece que. Yeah. Me parece que. You can put a dash and then put creo que. Those are basically the same thing. But like I said, I want you to try to figure out what this is just based on this. So if you need to take notes, you're going to put those in blue. Okay, that's on the words that you don't know. And I will be quizzing you for the non-native speakers. I will be asking you, hey, tell me what this word means. And then if you don't, you're going to end up, losing points on this assignment. So let's just say you don't know what creo que is. It means creer is to believe. So I believe that. So that means I believe that? Well, like I said, I want you to kind of figure out what this means without looking it up, just based on this. But it does more so mean it seems to me, or I think, okay? Or yeah. It's like, oh, I think. Da, 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 da. All right. So then you'll go like this. Equals, it seems to me, or I think, underneath here. So what's the second one? Muestra una escena de. Muestra una de dash. Could be equals. It's almost like the same thing. Aparece una imagen de. Aparece una imagen de. Okay, so take your notes. Like aparece, appears. I mean, if you don't have to write it in Spanish, I guess. I mean, I kind of know which words you're looking up here. Like here, I wrote it in Spanish, like the infinitive of that, but you don't have to do that. Like I said, I know which words you're looking up here. So it appears. It's like, I don't know what. I don't get it. So then, if you want to look this up, and then that's fine. Okay. If you want to try to figure out what this means, then just look it up. Fine. Okay. And then just put equals whatever you believe this means. Okay. So there's 18 of those. And just the ones that I've put the box around here. Okay. All right. Bien.